Hello guys, good evening sa inyo at welcome sa aking daily devotion, day 1. Okay, simulan na natin. Ang babasahin po natin ngayon sa Bible ay tungkol sa pornography. Okay? Simulan na po natin at ating basahin mula sa Timothy chapter 2 verse 21 to 22. Therefore, if anyone cleanses himself from what is dishonorable, he will be a vessel for honorable use, set apart as holy, useful to the master of the house, ready for every good work. So flee youthful passions and pursue righteousness, faith, love, and peace, along with those who call on the Lord from a pure heart. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi ulit.